This character is one of the most intense characters I've ever played. Even if you asked a person who had a child, maybe a real parent, what would you react like if this happened to you? I'm sure they wouldn't be able to tell you what they would be reacting like. The character is doing so much more, so many more things that are so crazy and so unusual that I had to pretty much imagine all these situations and then try and make that real. Between Mayank and me, it's pretty easy because we have a great rapport. While we are shooting, sometimes you're shooting different scenes from different time and everything, so we would take time out to kind of figure out the emotional graph of the character. Wait, what happened before? What happened after? So we had to little bit like zone everyone out. And then I would kind of just internalize it completely and take all that panic and just like channelize it into the scene.
इस बार जब वो घर आ जाएगी ना, I'm not letting her go. And if anyone tries anything with her, I'll kill them.
I remember Abhishek and me, I remember Mayank saying, you guys look so unusual together, but I'm telling you it's gonna work. You watch, it's gonna work. And then when we saw the scenes, you kind of realize, you feel like, oh my god, there's some kind of unsaid kind of a chemistry. It just works. It looks like these two belong together. That's not something you do or something you work on. It just happens.
Haba. She's alive. Arzia's alive.
I don't always get too excited to see my own stuff, but because I personally feel like this has been the best performance I have given, I'm looking forward to watching it.